Hey guys, I've got a special little project that I want to try today. I saw a video recently of another local bladesmith here in Charleston, Josh Weston, posted making a Lowcountry oyster shucker. So this is a kind of old blacksmith's way of making a tool, and it's made out of mild steel. It will rust, but it is a neat little project. And I wanted to try to see if I could do it. So unfortunately, Josh did not give out the dimensions of the piece of steel he was using, but I happen to have a piece of 3/8 inch square bar. It is 10 inches long. It looks like it'll do the job. I may need something a little bit longer, but we'll find out because this is the only piece I have. That's what we're going to use. So we'll give it a shot, see how it goes. I'll start by re-squaring this bar a little bit. Evidently I cut a piece off of this previously. Now I'm going to start a taper. Take that a little bit further. Alright, taper's done. Now I'm going to start to draw that out a little bit. Into somewhat of a spade shape. Like that. Switching over to the ball peen now. Really going to try to draw those lobes out and do like a spade shape. Cold out here, so my steel gets cold quickly. Now we got something that really looks like a leaf. Try to straighten that up a bit. Alright, so now that our front spade is finished, we're going to go around to the other side and do a little thumb notch there. Try to make something like a little oval. Just want to try to stretch that out. Try to make a little roundish object. So that's getting pretty close. Clean up that shape. Gotta straighten that a little bit. About 100% satisfied with this shape, but it's not horrible. Clean that up on the grinder a little bit. So in the video I saw, it was a very good demonstrational video, very instructive, and it was very well put together. One thing I did not see, and maybe he did do it, he didn't show it on camera, is I am softening the corners of this square stop very lightly, almost unnoticeable, because I don't want it to affect what I'm going to do next, which is a twist in the handle. But nobody likes a sharp corner in their hand. So I'm just going to knock this corner back very lightly, just so that you don't feel it in your hand. Make sure we get all four sides all the way down. So we've got our thumb hole piece in the back. We've got our actual knife blade up front. I'm going to put a little twist right here in the handle, and then we're going to bend this back around. So this will be the first time I really get use out of this post leg vise that I just refinished. And we're going to go, I don't know, about an inch or so above that fade. Give it a nice twist. Go all the way back around. That's it. That should look pretty good. Alright, here we go for the bend. Oh, that's a thick hunk of steel. Wow. Oh. That was tough. Might should have got that a little bit hotter. It wasn't bending quite where I wanted it. So we're going to adjust that just a little bit. Not terrible. So I did some straightening off camera because I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to make it work out. I almost forgot. In Josh's video and in other ones I've seen like this, they put a little notch inside the handle to act as a bottle opener. I have never tried to do this before, but we're going to try. We're going to try to do this exactly like the video said. We're going to put a bottle opener in it. I hope this goes well, because I've got a pretty good tool here and I hate to ruin it. I really don't know what I'm doing. Let's go right there. Oh crap. Alright, my anvil was a little tall for me to be trying to hold tongs in that fashion. So I got my striking anvil here with an extra little block, should get it up to just the right height. Yep, that's just about right. Come on. Damn, this is hard. I have made a new tool. Hopefully it goes well this time. That looks a little wonky. Alright, so this has had plenty of time to cool, and I'm fairly happy with the way that this turned out. Seems like the length of 10 inches on that bar stock worked out pretty good. Fits good in the hand. Maybe should have brought this a little bit more forward, but either way I think it turned out okay. Now it's time to check that bottle opener, see if it works. I will be making more of these.